Are you looking for the best outdoor rug? Well, we've got this one right here. Figured I'd show this thing off to you guys today. So let's go ahead and grab that Mike Vance knife right there so we can open this bad boy on up and see what we got on the inside here. And if y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hooking that over for me right there. All right, so it comes all nice and packaged up just like this. And so you got a little piece of tape all the way across the top, so we're going to need to grab that Mike Vance knife again and choppity-chop on through that right there. We're going to need to chop the other side as well, it looks like. There we go. Now let's get into this bad boy right here. Oh, we got a bag. We got a bag and a bag here. Bag in a box and a bag in a bag. All right, what we got? Okay, this little case comes with a nice little handle, so if you did need to use that, you could do that. Got some zippers on the side right here. So this is an outdoor rug. They say that it's good for patio, gazebo, picnic, RV, poolside, beach, or camping. Oh, okay. It's made out of like, what do you call this material? I don't know what you call that. I bet it says on there. Let's take it all the way out and see what we got. Really cool looking pattern or design on it as well. Man, this thing is huge. Look at this. Wow. Okay, we're going to have to close up that, move this on over here, and then now we can kind of spread this thing on out, right? It's like a wicker style of material right here. You can see the binding all the way around here. Looks very nice as well. Oh, it's got a little nougat right here, so I guess if you wanted to hang it up, you could do that as well. I'm curious to know if there's one. Yeah, look, you got another one on this side as well. So if you wanted to use it as like a decorative piece, you could do that. And then you have on one side, you have like this mainly black with some white accents that create the pattern. But if you look on the inside, you basically have the reverse right there. So if you wanted to go brighten up the area a little bit, you'd have the whiter side right there. That's really cool. Okay, I also noticed that there was the tag right here because I was wondering what this was made out of. It is 100% polypropylene. Wash instructions, just wipe clean with a damp cloth. Honestly, like, I don't think spills and stuff would really mess this up that much because it's made out of the polypropylene. Rinse off with a garden hose, like super easy to clean up. And with these little nougats on there too, you could hang it up, whether you have like a fence that you can put it over, dry line, hook it onto somewhere, however you want to let it kind of drip dry. Cover or store when not using. Do not machine wash, do not bleach, do not tumble dry, and do not clean. Okay, but they do say it is reversible, comfortable, lightweight, UV resistant, quick to dry, and easy to maintain. So let's see, I'm kind of curious. Let's bring this thing on down. Okay, so yeah, you got a nice big just blank space in the middle there. Of course, that's where you can put like all of your patio furniture, a chair, a coffee table, all that type of stuff. And then you have this really cool pattern all the way around it as well. It's got the diamonds and the squares and everything, so it looks super cool. Again, taking a look at that, the binding and the stitching right here, all the way along the top. This is made out of like, I don't know what kind of filament this is. It's like a almost like a fishing line, if you will, right there, that they use to be able to get that all the way across. And then on the side right here, it's really kind of hard to tell how it's bound together. It almost just seems like the way it was weaved, excuse me, is what's holding it together. Yeah, if y'all are looking for an excellent outdoor rug that's super simple to clean, y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all one of these right here. I believe that they make this in a few different sizes and a few different patterns as well. So if there's a particular size or pattern that you're looking for, definitely go and check out the product listing below. And they'll have all the different options that you can choose from on there. That way you guys can go and pick out the one that's going to be the best for you. But y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all one of these if this is something that you're looking for. Look, I'll hold this side up too, just so y'all can see the white side as well. Super cool. All right, thank y'all for watching. Thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I can show it off to y'all. And dad out.